In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a Dropbox document electronically. This process is straightforward and I will guide you through each step clearly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You can use any search engine you like. Look for the official Dropbox link in the search results. It is essential to click on the correct link to ensure you are accessing the right website. This step is crucial because it keeps your account secure and helps you avoid phishing sites. Once you find the Dropbox website, you will be ready for the next step. Once that is done, you need to log into your Dropbox account. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. If you have forgotten your password, there is a recovery option available. Logging in is vital because it grants you access to your documents stored in Dropbox. After entering your credentials, click the login button. You should see your account dashboard shortly. Now, navigate to your files and open the document you need to sign. You will see a list of all your uploaded files. Look for the specific PDF or Word document that requires your signature. Clicking on the document will open it. This step is essential as it allows you to access the document you need to work on. Make sure you have the correct file open before proceeding. Next up, click on the Sign option. This button is generally located within the Document Viewer toolbar. Clicking this will enable the signing features you need. It is important to find this option as it sets everything in motion for adding your signature. After selecting Sign, you will be directed to the Signature Setup area. After that, click on Add Signature. You can also choose to drag the signature field from the left sidebar onto your document. This flexibility allows you to customize where your signature will appear. Adding your signature field is crucial because it defines where you will place your signature on the document. Once you have placed the field, you can move on to creating your signature. At this point, create your signature by typing your name, drawing it, or uploading an image of your physical signature. This step gives you the freedom to choose how you want to sign. If you choose to draw your signature, ensure you are using a mouse or touchscreen to make it look as close to your actual signature as possible. If you upload an image, make sure it is clear and properly cropped. This personalization makes your document appear more professional. With your signature ready, click Insert. You will then position it on the document where you want it to appear. After positioning, click Next to save the signed copy automatically back to your Dropbox folder. This action is important because it ensures that your signed document is stored securely in your cloud storage for future access. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes were saved. Alternatively, if you are sending the document to someone else for their signature, select Get Signature. This feature allows you to request a signature from another party. It is often useful for contracts or agreements that require multiple signatures. By initiating this process, you are setting everything up to streamline the signing experience for others. Next, enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. After entering their information, click Add. This step is crucial because it ensures the recipient receives the signing request directly in their inbox. It simplifies communication and keeps everything organized. Finally, drag and drop the signature, date, or initials fields from the sidebar onto the exact lines where the recipient needs to sign. This precision helps guide the signer and avoids any confusion about where to sign. After positioning all necessary fields, click Send to email a secure signing link to the recipient. This final action ensures that the document is sent out for signing, completing the process. Now you have successfully learned how to sign a Dropbox document electronically. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.